eventually. Don't worry, you guys, I'm fine. I hate when that happens. Yeah, I'll step away for a second. I also kind of want to get a tissue because I'm like, whoa. I just like, I'm totally fine. I hate when that happens because people really analyze it and like make it weird. But it's literally just like I swallow wrong or talk wrong. And then it's like, people go crazy. It's an interesting cough. No, it's because I try to like stop myself. I sound kind of slurry. Yeah, it's because like, how do I explain it? I still kind of have like the coffee feeling in my throat a little bit. I don't really know how to explain it. Like, it's normal. I'm fine. It's just like, yeah, I just like talk wrong. It's like, yikes. I'll be back. I'm gonna kind of just, you know, cough, do what I gotta do. I think I'm just gonna like, you